As the sun dipped below the horizon, the forest became a beautiful symphony of sounds, perfect for lulling toddlers and babies to sleep. Gentle whispers flowed through the trees, their leaves rustling softly in the cool evening breeze. The forest, filled with towering trees and vibrant foliage, was home to a variety of birds, each one adding its unique melody to the nighttime orchestra. High above, a wise old owl peered down from its perch. Its velvety wings spread wide as it glided silently from tree to tree. Oh, it called as if to say, "Good night, dear forest, sleep tight." Below, a family of chickadees nestled in their cozy nest, chirping gently as they snuggled closer together. "Good night, little ones," whispered Mama Chickadee as she wrapped her wings around her chicks. The nightingale, known for its breathtaking songs, began its evening performance. Its voice, sweet and melodic, seemed to dance among the trees, a lullaby for all who listened. "Good night," it sang, each note more soothing than the last. Even the woodpecker, always so busy during the day, took a moment to quiet down, tucking its head under its wing. "Tap, tap, no more," it mumbled sleepily. As the moon rose higher, casting its gentle light across the forest floor, tiny fireflies began their nightly dance. They twinkled like stars fallen from the sky, flickering around the trunks and branches. "Good night, glowing friends," whispered an old fox who had paused his nightly journey to watch their enchanting display. In every nook and cranny of the forest, a hush began to settle, each creature finding its perfect resting place.